talking now. Come on out here and tell this officer how she did
No, don't do this.
You were locked at my house.
Please, come on, Deborah.
Just get in your car and go.
She's homeless. She has no place to go.
She can leave, though.
She's alive. I have belongings in my mom's garage. She's not my biological mom. She has custody of my kids. And she won't let me have my stuff, so I don't know what to do.
And then, has there been any sort of, like, violence?
Baby girl, I don't mean to sound like this, but she wouldn't dare because I'd slap her face completely off.
The video for today is a classic interaction between a police officer and two citizens who each called 911 to report a disagreement. The police officer arrived on scene and did his best to mediate the situation between the two parties, but both, even though they called the police for help, refused to let the police officer do his job. This is very common and probably what police officers spend about 50% of their time doing. The one thing I ask you to keep in mind is next time you have a run-in with a police officer who is maybe not so friendly, just remember about half of his time is spent dealing with situations like what you're going to see in today's video.
I copy.
Did you call? Hey, hon, did you call us?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what's going on?
I copy, thank you.
What? I don't care where she pulled up at.
Okay, officer. I just dropped my daughter's shoes and her new clothes off. I asked, can I have my work shoes? I got moccasins. I work at Popeyes in Grove City.
Okay.
I said, can I please have my stuff out of the garage? Rick said to call Debbie, so I called Debbie. She ignored my call, so I called my kids' father. I said, can I just have my shoes and my clothes out of the garage?
How'd they get?
Because I just brought them over here 3 weeks ago because me and my girlfriend was fighting.
Okay.
No, honey. She dumped her mother on me. I've already got a responsibility of all of her goddamn kids. Her mom's been here a month.
We're not talking about
She has
that.
done nothing but torment me.
Hey, I tell you what, if you don't interrupt, I'll probably solve the problem for you, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So they've been here for 3 weeks.
Yeah, because
Okay.
she threw me out on Christmas. I came over and decorated on the 15th.
Okay.
And
come in.
she drove me out.
Why do you need all this right now?
I need my shoes. I don't care if I don't
What
take
have you
nothing
done?
else. I
What
just
have
need
you
my
done?
tennis shoes.
What have you done for shoes for the last 3 weeks?
They got holes. My moccasins have holes in the bottom of them.
So you just
I've
been wearing these for 3 weeks?
I'm not
Why is
trying
this-
to cause problems. I just want my
Why?
hair to
Why
be
you
shine.
just don't interrupt me?
I did not. Don't.
Hey,
My mom on her.
relax. Why is all of a sudden an issue right now?
Happy? No, you don't.
Okay.
Why-
They just told me to go to court in the morning. and
Why
file
is this
it.
all?
That's tomorrow.
Why
But
is this?
You're not
Do you
invading
understand
my
that
stuff.
Would you
Stop
guys
arguing
stop
for no reason.
yelling at each other?
Do you understand she's arguing for
Okay,
no
well,
reason?
you're arguing with me for no
I
reason.
don't
I'm
want
trying to
to go-
ask you a
All right,
series
go
of
ahead.
simple questions, and you keep interrupting me too. Why is this coming to a head right now?
Because I got to be to work in an hour. And I came over and dropped my 5-year-old
So?
shoes, brand new Jordans off,
Okay.
in her
So?
clothes, and said,
So-
can I please pick up my shoes?
Is there-
That's it.
Stop! We don't need the drama.
She's
You're right.
fat.
Does she have a box of stuff in the garage?
Yeah, it's a tote.
I'm just asking.
The 16 is holding at
Is it-
3923 Snow Creek
Okay,
Drive.
look,
It's gonna be
there's
for
an
county.
easy way and a
Looking
difficult
for
way, and right now
light
you're being
On
difficult.
our gray Honda Civic.
Okay.
Even tag is John,
I'm not doing
George
she
Tom
Okay.
Washington, 9074.
Okay. Well, here's the thing. This is a civil issue, okay?
All right,
The property
I'll file
is.
charges on
Yes.
it.
Okay, go
That's
ahead
it,
and do
that's
that.
it. That's all I need
Then
to know.
just
I'll file
leave.
charges. I'll
Okay.
go get me a picture.
Just go.
And nobody left my mom
It's a
here.
civil lawsuit.
You did, you lying bitch.
Just go file.
No, give her her food stamps. She won't. I'm not arguing
Just-
with you.
Where was she
That's
gonna
what you
go,
want.
Brandy?
Go right
Your
back to
daughter
my
asked
brothers.
me that
Right back to
yesterday.
my brothers.
She said my
We don't-
mom
Right
texted
back
and
to
said,
my brothers.
You're not-
Shut the
I
fuck
get
up.
rid
You
of
want
her.
a check? That's all it is.
And Ariana
That's all
You're
I
not-
got.
said.
You're not making this any better by
Because
doing
John
this.
Taxes in January.
All my neighbors know.
Yep.
I know.
Everybody.
For 12 years.
I'm aware. I've taken many of the reports myself.
Debbie,
Well, I'm not.
suing
They
you.
always get
I'm
to
suing
me.
you for every
They
property
get
I have
to
here.
me because of these kids they hold over my head. No,
All
sir.
right, you're a
No more.
liar. You're
She
sick
wrote their
mental.
Thanksgiving.
I'm filing
9191
Did their
get the cancellation.
filing
Christmas
charges.
hell.
You're right.
All right, just get in your.
She contempt charges. You got
Just
contempt
get in your car and go.
Hey, Deborah Jean, you
Have that
are
officer
nothing.
to give you a
never
car,
amount to
a report.
nothing because you sit here and do nothing but start drama. You're a little
Brandy.
ass kid.
Brandy.
You don't want her out.
And
What
I-
did you say to me on Christmas?
And I-
Leave her the fuck here and leave her alone.
Tell the
So
man
shut
how
your
to cuss
motherfucking
him.
mouth.
Here.
Shut your
Hey, Deb,
motherfucking mouth.
Come on out here. Tell this officer how she
No,
did you.
don't do this.
You were left at my house.
Please, come on, Deborah.
Just get in your car and go.
She's homeless. She has no place to
She
go.
can leave though.
She's a liar. That's
not
what I'm
her.
saying. She's
I know
been
about her.
times. She's been homeless
You can go-
for
go
4
get-
years, Deborah Jean.
Go get a go get a protection order if you need to do
Not
that.
my mom, Deborah Jean.
Yeah.
Hey,
Then they know you're the
going to
dirty
jail.
bitch that left her.
You're going
They
to
know
right.
you are.
You're going to jail.
Yay! Maybe I'll get a break, bitch. Maybe I'll get a break.
Kids are coming out of there too.
Yeah, wait and see. Wait and see.
I know. a lot
Wait
of
and
people
see. I don't give a fuck who
Remember
you
what I
know.
said.
You know that
One
goddamn
kid's
car's
out
not
there.
legal? You know
Okay.
she doesn't have driver's license?
One block over.
That's right, but nobody gives a fuck about that. She can come up here on my corner and start all of her shit. And you
Go-
guys will watch them pull away.
Then go get a protection order. Keep her away
I
from you.
got one.
You
The
didn't get
lady said I had to go through
a.
courts.
You have to go get one. You haven't
I
done
got
that yet.
one.
You s-
Man, I
you,
got one.
you got a report taken, right?
No, I went up and had a goddamn restraining order over these goddamn kids.
What kind of restraining order?
She's not supposed to be on my property at all.
But it's not a protection order.
I don't need
104.
protection from the bitch.
Well, what you need is a protection order so that we can arrest her if she comes on your property.
And that's exactly
A
what
restraining order is just something from the court telling her to stay away. That's not something I can enforce.
okay.
But if you go get an actual protection order, then I can arrest her.
Buddy, this has been going on.
I know. Did she used to live there?
I'm sorry?
Did she used to live there?
No.
Do you have grandkids that used to live there or
Yes, I
something?
had one, Dustin.
And is that guy still there? Or so everyone's gone from that house?
Everybody's going from Columbus.
Well, that's good.
Yes, the baby, the little girl's even in Indiana with her aunt. on
Okay.
the other side. So that's all right.
So she's safe now and
Yes.
she's in good hands. All right. Yeah, I never get the closure on these kind of
the
things.
only bad thing, officer, is Brandy's only a mommy when she wants to be. Which I don't care about that. She
Mm-hmm.
can come go anytime she wants. But then she promises them. Oh, I'll be back.
I know she's playing the games
I'll
and
be back. Mommy will be back.
she's probably high right now and
And they
that's
sit and wait for the bitch. Cry. She's
I know.
only
105.
I went through that when I was a kid too.
Well, I'm back.
Well,
I've
Street
always
for
let
the
her-
16
so you have
4273
you have
West
custody
Broad.
of the kids?
Melissa's going to be the caller
Okay.
on white.
Well, and if
But
you
a
need to,
truck
go get a
wants to
protection
be
order, keep her
44A
away.
I'm
We'll
going to do
report.
just
we'll
that.
start arresting
I
her.
didn't know there was a difference.
Yeah, the restraining order is just something that she can be held in contempt of court. A protection order is one where it's enforceable by law
That's
enforcement.
what your lady officer that just answered told me. I had to go to.
Yep, you gotta follow up and get an action because you can say, look, she's coming by the house, she's threatening me. You don't need to put up with it. We can arrest her. All right?
That's exactly right. And I'm just going to go Monday and ask for a protection order, right?
Yeah, call first because the holiday schedule is weird this
Oh,
year.
that's right.
A lot of government facilities, Monday is a holiday.
Yeah.
I ran into that problem last week with Christmas because I didn't realize I had 2 flat tires in my car.
Listen, officer, you know the truth? It's something called tough love.
Yeah,
They live their whole damn life, and then all of a sudden, they're going to run you.
yeah.
I'm 66 years old.
No, you don't need to
They
put up
will
with it.
never boss me to this.
No, it's good. But I would recommend getting a protection order. That way she comes by.
Thank you so much. I
And-
really didn't know there was a
yeah, and then-
but I will have that.
I would also recommend, though, that if you do have a box of stuff that is hers, have someone take it over to her house.
Absolutely not.
Well,
Absolutely
it's all it's going to
not.
do is give her a reason to keep coming here.
No, it's not, because I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll put the shit right there in the burn barrel, and she can watch it go up.
I know,
I'm
but-
telling you. She worked these kids
But then
for
you're
Christmas.
criminally liable
She
for
worked
that.
Thanksgiving, all the neighbors know what she did.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? And now she's going to come up here and boss me.
I know,
because
but-
she needs a pair of shoes.
You need to be able to show the court that you're taking the high road. Because
No, this judge I have, She hates her anyway.
I know,
She
but for
hates him.
to
I'm
get a
done.
protection order, what they'll do is they'll give you like an emergency protection order that's usually good for 3 months, and then you have to go back and have a court case to make it good for 5 years. If she's gonna say, well, you know, she burned my property, this and
I
that.
don't care what she says.
I know, but the court won't grant you that protection order if you're doing that. If you show good faith and you say, hey, look, I'm taking the high road, Your Honor.
Okay,
She's
let me ask you something now. You stood right there and heard her asking for a little box and a pair of shoes, right? So now, if I go out here and have Rick to take all of her shit out of that garage and line it up against this alley, half of my garage is full of her shit.
yeah.
Why can't I get rid of it all?
Well, I think that you can.
See? That's what I'm telling you.
You could have it all taken to her house.
I don't want to be that mean to Brady, but you don't understand. She's going to understand that
Well,
she's not my damn boss.
You know, the other thing that you can do when you get a protection order, they'll issue it to her, and they'll usually say that she has 7 days to get all her belongings out of your house. And after that,
It is all except the garage.
yeah, well, after that 7 days, then you're welcome to throw it out, do whatever you want with it.
Well, let's do it that way then.
Yeah,
And
if you
I'll
need
do
to.
just that.
Okay,
But I'm going to call you every time she comes because look, I'm going to slap the hell out of her.
that's fine.
And she's a big, strong girl. But I'm going to try my best to beat that
Well,
silly thing to death.
Don't get yourself in trouble. But we can. But there's nothing wrong with too. You can say, look, you can show how many times we've had to come out to the house for her.
Yes, just
So,
for her.
yeah.
Just for her.
Yeah, so if you call, that'll give you that record as well. All right, I'm gonna go on to other things.
And I think
Thank you. Take care.